How are you, my dear student? I hope that you all are well today. Okay. Have you done your homework which was given yesterday? Okay. Anyway, I will take your homework after some times, because now we will discuss regarding speech or narration. You are the students of class 8. You don't have any previous knowledge regarding narration or speech. Okay. So, when you will go to, or you will able to take the knowledge of narration, learning narration, you have to take some previous concept. You may ask me, what are the previous concept? You must have known before what is sentence, what is case, what kind of case, what is tense, what kind of tense. Not only this, but also you have to know, if you want to advance to take the knowledge of narration, person. What is person? It is, though it is primary knowledge, it is very necessary when you will start to transfer the speech. These are the important things. If you don't know what is person, if you don't know what is sentence, if you don't know what is tense, you cannot realize or understand how can you solve the problem of speech or narration. You have to turn into direct to indirect speech. When you will go to start to turn into the direct into indirect narration, these all are primary concept have to have in you. Okay. Now I am going to discuss regarding speech, or it is also called narration. So you have to know what is speech or narration. Okay. What is speech or what is narration? It is nothing. It is not difficult. Listen to what I say now. What is speech? Speech is a opinion or think or concept of you, what you are going to say. This is speech or narration. What you say or what do you want to say, this is speech. These speeches are available. Anybody can give speech or narration with other, with his friend, with his father, with his relative, or with any kinds of person. These are the speech. Now, speech, how can you identify speech? Speech are two kinds. One is direct speech and one is indirect speech. Now look at the board. I have written on the board DS. Here I have written DS. What is DS? DS is a shortly name of direct speech. Okay? DS is a shortly name of direct speech. DS. He said to me. He said to me. After me you can see here a comma. Thereafter you can see here inverted comma. And thereafter you can also see here I am going to your office today. Okay? I am going to your office today. This is the sentence. Thereafter you can see here full stop after today. Not only this, but also you can see here close inverted comma after today, close inverted comma. This is the DS or direct speech. I am again telling, he said to me, comma inverted comma start, I am going to your office today, full stop and close inverted. Okay? In this sentence or in this inverted comma, you can see a sentence that is, I am going to your office today. This is a sentence, it is called assertive sentence in affirmative mode. Affirmative mode. Assertive sentence. If you would like to want to learn regarding narration, firstly you have to know what kind of sentence in the reported speech. I have started, firstly reported speech is assertive sentence. You can see here he said. He said. This said is called reporting verb. This said is called reporting verb. Thereafter you can see here me. Me is an object. Me is an object. Thereafter you can see here reported speech. In the reported speech you can see I am going to your office. This is a sentence and this sentence is assertive sentence. Okay? In the language of narration, this sentence is called reported speech. Reported speech. Okay? So you must have heard and known and taken concept what is reported speech. Reported speech is a speech which is given by the speaker. Who is the speaker here? The man who said this is a speaker and this man is he. This man is he. That he is subject. The subject has said this in the reported speech. The subject said to me, I am going to your office. I am going to your office. This is the sentence and it is reported speech. How can you identify reported speech or direct narration? Direct speech. Direct speech must closed in the inverted comma. Inverted comma. I am going to your office today. This is in the inverted comma. So it is also said reported speech. Now this is the great duty. How can you transfer into ideas indirect speech? indirect speech. Can you say what is person? Can you say what is case? Can you say what is sentence? These are very essential for transferring DS to IDS. Okay. Though these are known to you, you have to get by heart or remember in your mind if you want to transfer. Now I am going to transfer direct to indirect. Indirect speech, he said to me, I have written the word, he said to me, there is no change. He said to me, there is no change. And for this no change, there is no problem. But you can change said. You can change said. You can change it told. If you don't write here said, you can write here told. If you write here told, you cannot take to, because told is a such verb which cannot take preposition to, but said verb is a such verb, it can take preposition to. Thereafter to me, this is a object. This is a object. From he said to me, there is no change. So it is easy. Now what do you have to do? What do you have to do? Now you have to do, that is, you have to take that, a relative or conjunction, that. When if you want to change into indirect speech by dropping out inverted comma, you have to take this that. It is only assertive sentence. It is only assertive sentence in the reported speech. The reported speech is assertive sentence. So you have to take that dropping out the inverted comma. Okay. Bear this in mind. By dropping out the inverted comma, you have to take that. Thereafter, you can see at the first of this reported speech I. Reported speech I. I is a subject. And it is what kind of subject? It is direct subject and it is first person. Okay. In the reported speech, if you can see first person, this first person will not be allowed. Will not be allowed in the IDS. Then what will you do if this first person is not allowed? You have to think, if the subject is first person, this first person is similar, is directly he. He is the subject, this subject he and this subject I. Similar person. I subject and he subject, they are similar person. They are same person. So you cannot take here I, you have to take here he. So I have taken here he, not allowing the I. Okay. Thereafter, going to, you can see here going to, then you can see here your. This is a person, your. What kind of person your? Second person, yes, second person. Not only this, you have to know what kind of case this your. Listen to what I say now. Your is possessive case. Possessive case. Here your is second person. It will catch the object me, because this me and this your same person. So you cannot write here your. You cannot write here your, and you must have to write here in lieu of your. You have to write here my. You can see here my. Have you understood? I have written here my. I am telling again, in the direct speech you can see your. Your is second person. It will catch the object me. Why? Because they are the same person. So you have to write here my in lieu of your. Okay. If you can't realize or understand or concept, you must have to ask me where is impossible for you to understand. Okay. Dear student, again look at the board and listen to what I say now. In lieu of your, you have taken here my office. Thereafter their office today. But today will not be taken here. Why? You have to taken here that day in lieu of today. This is the rule. Now, some words are containing or available. You cannot from what in the direct speech, you have to take in lieu of that word, and some words are fixed for that words. If you can see this, you have to take that. If you can see today, you have to take that day. If you can see yesterday, you have to take the previous day. These are etc. Now, I am going to discuss again regarding direct to indirect speech. He said to me, I am going to your office today. IDS, he said to me that he was going to my office that day. In the inverted comma, this sentence is present continuous tense. But now you can see here, thereafter that, he was going to my office that day. What kind of tense? It is past continuous tense. It is past continuous tense. Already it has been changed. Why? It was in the direct speech, it was T2, present continuous tense. You can see in the indirect speech T6, that is past continuous tense. But why? Have you understood? Now listen to what I say now. Said is a verb. This is called reporting verb. In the direct speech, if the reporting verb is past, in the indirect speech, the tense will be changed. Here you can see M. M is present helping verb. The past of M here was. It is also helping verb of past continuous tense. Okay. Why is it changed? The result is because if the reporting verb is past, the reported speech must be past. Now you can ask me, sir, if the reporting verb is present, what will be happen then? Okay. Listen to what I say now. It is easy solvation. If you can hear reporting verb is present, bear this in mind, there will be no change. There will be no change of tense or verb in the reported speech, which is including in the inverted comma. Okay. So these are the discussion regarding direct to indirect. I am telling you again, you must have to bear in mind when you will go to transfer DS to IDS, direct speech to indirect speech, you must have to have the knowledge of person. It is very essential for the speech. Case, it is also very essential for the speech. Tense, it is also very essential for the speech. And sentence, it is also very essential for the speech. Okay. So you must get by heart these parts of the grammatical point. Then you will easily able to transfer from DS to IDS. Okay. Dear student, now today I have discussed regarding speech or narration. It has been discussed only for assertive sentence. Only for assertive sentence. Tomorrow we will go to the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, thereafter imperative sentence, thereafter optative sentence, and thereafter exclamative sentence. Okay. Now I am going to give you some homework. Okay. Write down. DS Mala said to Milon. Reported speech. I am poor. Inverted comma close. Number A, number B. He said to me, I have lost my father. Okay, these are the homework. You must do your homework at your house. So no more today. See you, we meet again tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much.